Hello, welcome to technology platform. So today we can see how to use get method. So normally we used to if else statement, right? So instead of if else statement, how we can use get method to achieve that? It's just a simple try. Let's see. So normally first we are going to see how it is possible in if else, how it behaves, and how we are going to achieve by using this get method. Let's see. Now I just want to store it like a variable, str input, and then I used dictionary like name, key, and value. For example, I will say like um I will say like python, and then the key is like 100, and then other like Java, and then 200, and then VBA, or like I'll say like .NET 300, something like this. I'm just giving the number here. Let's see. If you are printing this str input, it will just simply display the values, right? Now I just want to use it like my choice equal to, I'm just giving another variable like python. Now I'm going to write if statement. If my choice in str input, what I'm saying is that this my choice variable value should be present in str input or not. For example, my choice equal to python, then python it is present in str input or not. If yes, pick up the value. If not, produce the default value. This is what I'm going to write. Now the normal if syntax is like if variable name in, and then variable name like this. Now colon, you need to use it colon and then enter. It will come like this. So if you are using here, just type it here, it will throw an error message. So you have to use indent, like press tab, press tab in your things, and then the indent comes here. Then print, we can say like str input square bracket, because this is a dictionary, so we have to use it like this. My choice, I'm just passing that my choice value into this print statement. That's it. So it should display like 100. This is what we needed, right? So now enter. uh, I think, yeah, that is missing, parenthesis is missing. I'm just closing this, enter. Oh, sorry, there is no bracket. Yeah, let's see this one and this, right? Now else, again you need to press backspace and go to here, else, then colon, and then enter again indent. You should not enter here, you should not type it here. Press tab, then print. This is not in my choice, I'm typing like this. So now see this, it is available. So the python value which we passed, it is available. So because of that, it is providing 100 value. Now I'm going to use it, my choice equal to python 1. So this is not at all present in this str input. Then the result should be like this. This is not in my choice. Let's see. Let type it. So this is not in my choice. Now the same thing we have to achieve it by using get statement. How? Let's see. Print, then str input dot. Wait for some time. You will get statement here. Now get open bracket and then pass Python, and then you can just pass it this value. This is else statement. Okay, and let's see now. You're going to print it. See, so simple get statement. You are achieving the if statement here. Now see this. Print Python 1. You'll get this is not my choice. So this is what we have to try it. We achieved it. Let's see you in the next session. Bye. Thank you.